you're back again. Well, I guess I might as well cook something. So we've just got in these new South American inspired spices. And you know, I was thinking South American, maybe carne asada. That'd be pretty tasty. So we'll go ahead and do a short rib carne asada. One small onion, a quarter cup of garlic cloves, about 8 garlic cloves, 1 cup of rice wine vinegar, about half a cup of canola oil. Then we're going to do about half a cup of Gaucho Steakhouse. Then about a quarter cup of chili lime. Blend it up. Marinade done. Now for the short ribs, I just went ahead and put them into a container and then drowned it in that marinade and went ahead and mixed it up very well. Then I just went ahead and put it in the fridge. Leave it in here just to marinate for about an hour or so. You can also leave it overnight, that's all good. Okay, now in Venezuela, in South America, there is something called Arepas. I've never had it before. I have to admit, I've never had it, but I grew up eating Gorditas. And Gorditas, I'm looking it up, and they're both pretty much the same thing. The only difference is the type of corn flour they use. They're both really fine corn flour. I'm gonna use Maseca today. I'm gonna show you how to make those. In the bowl, I'm gonna do 1 cup of the Maseca flour, 100 grams if you wanna be exact. Then about 112 grams of warm water. Generous pinch of salt, and just a touch of canola oil. This is the Maseca flour I'm using, by the way. I have a video on my channel on how to make your own masa from scratch with actual corn. Today, I'm just gonna be using this because it's easier and also it still has a nice product. It should look soft, you know? Nice and soft like this, just like you. And you can go ahead and weigh them out if you want them to be exact. If you're a control freak, whatever, it's fine, no judging. But if you're like me, it's fine. Just roll a ball and just keep rolling a bunch of balls so you have a good amount of portions. Now I'm just rolling them out, and then I'm just gonna put them on the cutting board and just smush them down until they're about 1 centimeter thick. You don't want them to be too thick because then they won't cook all the way. And you don't want them to be too thin because then they're gonna be too hard and brittle. It's basically like a masa cake, if you want to think about it like that. Now we're just gonna go ahead and cook these off on a very well seasoned cast iron. Just a touch of oil. So what we're doing here is we're cooking it off on a very well seasoned cast iron skillet. About medium heat. We want it to be medium heat because we want the inside to cook as well before the outside cooks. So go ahead and just give it a couple flips, let it cook off fully, and then season it with salt once you flip it as well. And then we can go ahead and keep them warm in a towel or a pot with a towel, anything like that you have. Okay, now to cook these ribs off, I've got this grilled grate cast iron skillet. If you don't have one of these, you can just do it in a normal cast iron skillet or on the grill. Hey, if you have a grill, why not? I've got the shorties right out of the marinade, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and throw some more of that rub on. Now I know the rub's already in the marinade, but this extra rub on here is gonna have a nice crust, so just go ahead and add that on before. Just toss some on the grill here. Then just go ahead and slice an onion. Throw that right onto your skillet. So these caramelized onions are gonna get chopped up along with the short rib, and they're gonna get mixed together. It's gonna be a really nice gordita filling. Okay, so go ahead and take out the short ribs, put them onto the board, and cut them up into the caramelized onions. This is a really delicious way to do it. Then for our molcajete salsa, we're gonna do some tomatillo, sliced jalapeno and serrano, some cut up onion, put that into a skillet, toss it in the oven at about 500 Fahrenheit. Okay, once all of our salsa stuff is pretty much colored like this, pull it out of the oven, and then just go ahead and blend it in the Roboku. If you don't have one of those, you could just chop it all up really fine. Season it with salt and some lime to taste. We have our baby gordita, the beef short rib that's been marinated and then just grilled off with these caramelized onions. And then we have a really nice tomatillo molcajete salsa, all on a really soft, or I should say suavecito, gordita. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. Go ahead and like the video, really helps me out. Drop a comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.